this. The massager. I'm wearing this one right now. Let me flip the camera. It feels good. It feels like you got actual hands on you. Wow. Taking this as a gift for somebody. Oh, black. Okay. White or black? I think white.
Okay.
Take away white. No, this is no racism. But white is a little. I'm just going for a white look now. You know. I used to wear everything black, but now I just want to go white. You know. Yeah. Look at this.
Here, we can open.
Let me try this.
Yeah, and here will be hot. And so you can
Hold on to it.
you can give me.
How much is this one?
161.
No.
158. And you can use the phone.
Not bad. It's okay. It's okay. Hands. That's good.